Want to create eye-catching video effect like this without a big budget or VFX team? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pull it off using AI. The effects in Jennie's music videos are fire, literally. But let's be real, most of us don't have a huge budget or big VFX team to pull it off. That's why I test out AI to find a shortcut. And guess what? You can get pro-level results in just minutes. If you are unsure about AI, I get it. I spent years working on high-end production like commercial, music video, and even title sequences, where effects like this take the entire teams days, if not weeks, to achieve the same result. But what if you could get the same high-end result without the big team or budget? This is where AI comes in. Let me show you. There are two crucial elements that make the visual look out of this world. One is flash cut style editing. Flash cut is essentially a match cut, but on steroids. Instead of full video clips, you can just use images, since they move so fast that your brain connects them automatically. We see match cut or flash cut effects everywhere. Instagram creators use them all the time, and they are huge in music videos. The most notable example is the scene from Everything Everywhere All at Once. There are three ways to achieve this. Shoot on location, use virtual production, or film in front of a green screen. Here is the classic example of what shoot on location match cut looks like. It is super simple. You just need to take a video of yourself doing the same actions multiple times, bring it into the timeline, and edit it to the beat. One story at a time. But for the scene from Everything Everywhere All at Once, they use a combination of low-budget visual production and green screen.
You know how on the Star Wars shows, they have this massive LED screen that is like basically a good background? We had like the 99-cent store version of that.
Jennie's music video looks like it was filmed entirely on a green screen. These are the traditional ways of creating visuals before AI. But for our edit, we'll be using AI to generate them instead. Before we dive in, here's the second crucial element that makes the visuals really stand out. Production value. It's wardrobe, makeup, set design, and lighting. All the details that bring a scene to life. You can see just how much effort went into every frame. It makes sense when you're creating a global chart-topping music video, but not everyone has an access to art department or a VFX crew. And that shouldn't stop you, because creativity isn't about budgets. It's about ideas. With AI and smart techniques, you can go from casual to couture without even changing outfits. Here's how in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Create your own character using AI. Recreating Jennie's high production look typically means multiple costume changes, a full set, and a big team. But with AI, we can generate everything in minutes. So let's create a custom character to pull it off. I'll be using openart.ai, but you can also use platforms like Runway ML. I go with openart.ai because it's a solid platform, the output is consistent, and most importantly, it's a lot cheaper. No matter which tool you choose, the process is the same. I'll break down the pros and cons of each platform later in the video. Creating your own custom character with openart.ai is super simple. Just go to the character menu and select Start with 4+ images. You can use a single image, but uploading multiple images provides the AI with more details, resulting in better accuracy. Ideally, provide images with different lighting, multiple angles, and various expressions to achieve the best results. This way, you can generate an AI version of yourself in any pose, setting, or style you want. Once you have uploaded your images, click Create, and wait about 10 minutes for the AI to process. While the AI processes your images, let's move on to Step 2. Step 2. Reverse engineer the scene. Before jumping into AI character creation, take a screenshot of the music video scene you want to create. Then upload it to ChatGPT and ask for a description of its composition, lighting, and color grading. This helps you understand the artistic choices so you can match the aesthetic without just copying it. If you want to save time, I have prepared a pre-made prompt for you. Check the description below. Step 3. Virtual Photoshoot. This is the most fun part about the process. To do that, head over to Create Image in openart.ai. This is where openart.ai shines because it allows you to control the style, pose, composition, and even facial expression. With your custom character mode selected, click on Prompt and References on the left side of the menu bar. Then, paste the prompt that we generated in ChatGPT in the prompt box. Next, go to Image to Image and upload the screenshot from the music video. Also upload the same image to the composition reference box. But if you want a different composition, feel free to upload a different one. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio and click Create. Then play around with the weight setting, prompt adherence, and creativity level settings to achieve your desired result. Play around and see what works best for you, but these are the settings I use for mine. Go ahead and repeat the same process to generate about 10 images. Once you have all the images generated, save them to your desktop. Here's the pro tip. Experiment with different styles, from futuristic cyberpunk to soft watercolor tones, to make your visuals unique. Now here's the thing. AI isn't always perfect. Sometimes you won't get exactly what you want on the first try. If that happens, tweak the settings, try different inputs, and see what works best. If you have an image that is 90% there, but needs slight adjustments, instead of regenerating it repeatedly, try using openart.ai's edit feature to fine-tune the specific areas. When generating a male version, make sure to adjust the prompt. Use a male reference and select the right composition input for a more accurate result. Otherwise, you might get unexpected results, like mine, for example. If the AI-generated character doesn't resemble you well, consider recreating a new character with different images input until you get a close-up match. Step 4. Final Edit. Finally, bring everything into CapCut or Premiere Pro to sync your clips to the beat. Here's the easiest way to match the beat of the edit from the music video. Just bring in the clip to your edit timeline and edit the clips where the cut happens. If you are using Premiere Pro, you can automatically detect the cut by using Scene Edit Detection. Then, bring in your new footage over the edit to match the cut. To make your edit stand out, play with the speed, adjust position and scale, and tweak the colors to match the original music video. I use an AI color match plugin for this. It does a pretty good job, but if you want the exact same look, you will need to fine-tune the colors manually. Here is the bonus tip: how to turn your images into dynamic videos. Now, if you want to take this effect to the next level, you can animate your AI-generated images to create smooth motion sequences. Using tools like Runway ML or Kling AI, you can transform stored images into dynamic, lifelike videos. Here's how. Simply upload your AI-generated character into the platform. Add a prompt in the prompt box. Adjust the setting and duration and hit Generate. Note that the professional setting will give you a better result, but it's not included in the free version. In case the video comes out strange, you can add the negative prompt in this box to tell AI not to generate things you don't want to see. You can always use the Runway ML image-to-video features to achieve similar result. In fact, I use Runway ML to generate the lip sync motion. Here's a side-by-side comparison of clip generated in Kling AI versus Runway ML, so you can see the differences. Each has its own pros and cons, and I'm planning to make a video about Kling AI versus Runway ML and even compare with the most expensive AI video generation platform, Sora. So make sure to subscribe to get notification on my future uploads. Just like that. You recreated the high-end music video effects without a VFX team or a crazy budget. What video effects should I break down next? Comment below. I might feature an idea in my next tutorial. And hey, if it was helpful, hit subscribe because I got even crazier AI tutorial coming soon and you don't want to miss them. Until next time.